Interfacing of LCD. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect an LCD display in 4-bit mode to the Raspberry Pi with the GPIO pins. After that, we get the LCD hooked up. I'll show you how to program it using Python. I'll show you how to print text to the display, clear the screen, position the text and blink the text on the Raspberry Pi. I'll be using a 16:2 LCD display. In 4-bit mode, each byte of data is sent to the LCD in 2 sets of 4 bits, one after the other, in what are known as the upper bits and lower bits. 4-bit mode takes up only 6 GPIO pins for input or output, which makes it a popular choice. LCD, the liquid crystal display screen, is an electronic display module and finds a wide range of applications. A 16:2 LCD display is very basic module and is very commonly used. These modules are preferred over 7-segment and other multi-segment LEDs. The reasons being, LCDs are economical, easily programmable, and have no limitation of displaying special and even custom characters. A 16:2 LCD means it can display 16 characters per line, and there are 2 such lines. This LCD has 2 registers, namely command and data. A command is an instruction given to LCD to do a predefined task, like initializing it, clearing its screen, and setting the cursor position and controlling display. The data register stores the data to be displayed on the LCD. This is the pin diagram of the LCD. These are the connections that we need to make from LCD pin to the Pi pin. Instructions to be followed. The command for writing the code is given by this command. The command for executing the code is given by this. As soon as the user enters the command, the text displayed on LCD. The execution can be terminated using Ctrl+C. Note: GPIOs are different from the Raspberry Pi pins, so please see the Raspberry Pi pins connection corresponding to GPIO and then do the wiring on the breadboard. The RW pin allows the device to be put into read or write mode. I wanted to send data to the device but did not want it to send data to the Pi, so I tied this pin to ground. The Pi cannot tolerate 5-volt input, so on its GPIO header. Tying RW to ground makes sure the device does not attempt to pull the data lines to 5 volt, which would damage the Pi. The components required are a 16:2 LCD display, a breadboard, and connecting wires. This is the simplest connection of the interfacing of LCD with the Raspberry Pi.